quantum numbers for individual nucleons. The solution of the wave equation for the system is characterized by the parameters termed as quantum numbers. Principal quantum number n. Each bound individual particle has associated with its principal quantum number n is equals to 1, 2, 3, so on. Sommerfeld modified the Bohr's model and suggested azimuthal quantum number n pi and radial quantum number nr as given by n is equals to n pi plus nr. Orbital quantum number L. The original azimuthal quantum number n pi is now replaced orbital quantum number L. It can take on positive integral values 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1 corresponding to orbital momenta h cut square root of L into L plus 1. It can take on 2L plus 1 possible values such as L, L minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus L minus 1, minus L. Radial quantum number R. The solution of radical wave equation for the non-Coulomb field potential. We get nr. nr is equals to 1, 2, 3, so on n. Spin quantum number S. This has a magnitude h cut into s plus 1 power 1 by 2. It can take on 2s plus 1 possible values such as s into s minus 1 so on plus 1 0 minus 1 so on s minus 1 minus s for particles with s is equal to 0 ms is equal to 0 with s is equal to 1 by 2 ms is equals to plus or minus 1 by 2 and s is equal to minus 1 by 2. Total angular momentum quantum number J. It is sum of its orbital and spin momentum quantum number J is equal to L plus S. It can be take on 2j plus 1 possible values such as j, j minus 1, so on plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 so on minus j minus 1 minus j. Spin quantum number T. As the neutron and proton have similar masses, hence it was renamed isobaric spin. This is generally named as isospin or T-spin. As states with spin S have multiplicity 2s plus 1 for s is equals to plus 1 by 2. We have doubt ms is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 or s is equal to 1. Triplet ms is equals to minus 1 comma 0 plus 1 parity. The reflection symmetry principle is equivalent to the statement that the parity of closed system cannot change. Psi x comma y comma z comma s is equal to psi minus x comma minus y comma minus z comma plus s. Even or plus parity. Psi of x comma y comma z comma s is equals to minus psi of minus x comma minus y comma minus z comma plus s odd or minus parity. Quantum statistics. Quantum statistics is applied to particles which are theoretically and practically indistinguishable. It arises from the symmetry property of wave functions. These may be divided into two symmetry classes, a symmetry and antisymmetric. Correspondingly, the particles are said to obey Einstein, Bose and Fermi-Dirac statistics. Fermi-Dirac statistics. If the wave function is antisymmetric under the exchange of coordinates of two equal particles, the particles are said to obey Fermi-Dirac statistics, that is psi into x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 so on xi yi zi so on xj yj zj so on s is equals to minus psi into x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 xi so on xi, yi, zi, so on, xj, yj, zj, so on, s. If two equal particles have same coordinates, the wave function will thus be zero. It means the two particles can never be found at same place. Thus, the Pauli exclusion principle holds for Fermi-Dirac particles, fermions with half-integral spin. Bose-Einstein statistics. If the wave function is symmetric under the exchange of coordinates of two identical particles, the particles said to obey Bose-Einstein statistics. These particles do not obey Pauli exclusion principle, that is, two or more identical particles may be in the same quantum state. Bosons with integrals